Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So, question is find the area of surface of solid.
Hmm. Yes.
Find the area of the surface
Yes. Yes. Of the solid.
of the solid bounded by the cone z equal to 3 minus square root x square plus y square
Yes. Now the visible. Okay. Z equal to 3 minus.
square root of x square minus x square plus y square.
We have discussed this question yesterday. कल तुम क्लास में थे?
Yes, sir. But actually, मैं सर एक्चुअली तब तो क्लास में नहीं था, मेरे को थोड़ा सा सर बीमार भी चल रहा था ना, इसलिए नहीं था. बट मैं ये वाला क्वेश्चन आपने करा दिया है सर.
बोल दो जरा क्या था. Z equal to 3
Hello.
square.
And the paraboloid.
हाँ यही क्वेश्चन था. Z equal to 1 plus x square y square.
मेरे को सिर्फ सर थोड़ी सी हिंट दे दीजिए, बाकी मेरे को ना इसमें पूरे इंटीग्रल कैलकुलस में कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ये बस इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में दिक्कत
मैंने कल इसका पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन कराया है, अभी मैं हिंट भी नहीं दूंगा बिकॉज आई हैव डिवोट around 15 minutes only this question. This was the most important question when you are not able to find out.
ओके सर, इट्स ओके सर. तो फिर कोई बात नहीं, उसमें
क्लियर दिया है उसमें, वॉच रिकॉर्डिंग है ना. दिस इज वेरी मच क्लियर क्योंकि वी डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट आवर टाइम ना. या
जी जी बिल्कुल
डन. एंड फर्दर इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट आफ्टर वाचिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग then you can ask. Done. चलिए
ठीक है सर.
In my point of view, surface area you should not have any kind of problem because I have discussed the problem which will not be in the IIT exam. मतलब ऐसी प्रॉब्लम भी डिस्कस कर ली जो डिफिकल्ट है. उससे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम अगर आ जाती है एग्जाम में, then you can leave the problem because maybe some problem which cannot be solved in less time they can give. Okay.
Yes,
but
sir.
from my point of view, surface area is absolutely fine for you. Now the last topic is volume. Volume, see, you know volume, and volume is 3D. So what is volume? Basically, whenever you have some surfaces, closed surfaces, and which has the volume some V, then volume, you can say the volume can be find out by just dx dy dz, triple integration of dx dy dz. This is only the point of volume. Now we do some problem, some different kind of problem, then you will understand how to find out the volume. Done. Okay, so number one problem, this is very easy problem. Okay, how to find out a volume of particular type. Like if somebody is asking find the volume of x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square is equal to 1. So how to find out the volume? Yes, can you tell me how to find out the volume? Let us consider you know this volume 4 by 3 pi a cube, pi abc है ना. This is the ellipsoid, this is ellipsoid, yes or no? 2D is ellipse and 3D is ellipsoid. So how to find out the volume of this ellipsoid? So you can say, what you can say? The one thing is that you will find out the triple integrations, like z is equal to something, z is equal to minus of that is under root of z square by c square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square minus y square by b square, and c square plus minus c2 plus c, all this, then z0 y, then x. Okay, all these things. X is only minus a2 plus a, but it will take more and more time. And what you can do, you can find out the volume by the Lively. How the Lively will work? If the surface is closed, you can say you can find out the volume by less than equal to 1 and less than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0. This is in the first octant, and you will multiply by 8. Why we are saying this is the symmetric? Because this function x square by a square, y square by b square, z square by c square, this is symmetric in all this octant. And we have already discussed the function, let us consider you want to find the surface area of this one, like this is the surface, 3D surface something, and the region in which you want to integrate, in which the region is bounded, the region is also symmetric. ठीक है ना? When we have discussed the problem in the integral calculus, we have already discussed the problem. The function is symmetric, area is symmetric, but function is not symmetric. Function means this function. If there is a function, if you want to integrate this 3-dimensional integral, and this function is not symmetric, then there will be problem. If function is symmetric, then this is symmetric in which quadrant or octant, then you can multiply by that number of times. Otherwise, you cannot. This was clear? Yes or no? So first of all, we are solving some problems. Then we'll move on to the difficult question. Yes. Chali. So question was number 1. What was the question number? X square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square. So what you can do? You can do lie between 1 and triple integration of 8 times of dz dy dx. Am I clear? Yes, by Lively you can apply. I am not going to solve the problem. This is the problem which is very easy. Am I clear, student? Yes or no? ठीक है, चलिए next problem. The answer of this problem is 4 by 3 pi ABC. If you have any problem, you can ask me in between if you are not going to understand. Yes, sir, this is the problem. Okay, whatever I am discussing. Problem number 2, like find the volume of the tetrahedron bounded by the coordinate plane and the plane x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c, where a, b, c are positive. Yes. What is the answer? How to find out the answer? Yes. Tell me. Sometime what you will do mistake, you can do you can write down the limit on the not a to b, b to a. So there will be no problem, because sometime if you do the mistake a to b to a in place of a to b, then answer will be negative. So answer will be negative, there is no problem. Yes or no? You can write down the positive answer only in your paper. Yes, ABC by 6, this is the right option. ABC by 6, this is the right option. Yes, great. Yes, ABC by 6. So simple is what you have done. This is already the examiner is asking find the volume of the tetrahedron bounded by the coordinate plane. Bounded by the coordinate plane. What is the meaning of bounded by the coordinate plane? Will you multiply by 8? Will you multiply by 8? Yes? No? Coordinate plane is xy, yz or zx. XY plane, YZ plane, ZX plane. So this is only in the first quadrant. Sorry, first octant. This is only the problem which is like answer they are asking the volume in first octant only. So can I say answer is only dx, dy, dz, and the condition is x upon a plus y upon b, z upon c less than equal to 1 and 0. Am I correct? Apply Lively direct. Apply Dirichlet direct. Dirichlet. not a Lively. There is no use of Lively. Only this left directly. You can write down x upon a equal to u, y upon b upon y upon b is equal to v, and z upon c is equal to w. Put and find out the answer. Am I correct? Student, all of you are getting the point? Yes or no? Chaliye. Done. So these are very easy problems. Right? These are very easy problems. Okay. Now the problem, main problem is find the volume. Find the volume enclosed by the surface So this kind of problem will be asked in the IIT exam. Yes. So how to find out the answer? What is the answer of this problem? See, find the volume. See, in surfaces, we have multiplied by 2. We have multiplied by 2 concept. But in volume, there is no concept of multiplying by 2. Because the volume you are taking dx dy dz, this is full. Z is you are also covering. You are also covering the z part also. So you will not multiply by 2. In surface, we were not including the z part, only dx dy. Projection on the z positive side. Okay. So that's why. Done. So in this case, find the volume of the volume enclosed by the surface is this. So when you find out the volume is dx dy dz. Yeah, dz dy dx. So in this case, I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this. Basically, this is a circle, and this what is this? What is this? Z is equal to x square y square. This is yes. This is paraboloid. This is some kind of paraboloid. Yes or no? Yeah, this is paraboloid. Okay. Whatever, I don't know. So I am just saying, just please do z is equal to something to take something, y is equal to this, and x is equal to this. So how to find out? This is dz dy dx. So z is equal to, already they are saying z is equal to 0 to z is equal to x square plus y square by c, and this is the limit of dx dy. Okay, and what is dx dy? What is dx dy? Yes, tell me. See, this is, you are saying this is an open paraboloid sheet, no? So that will be cutting by this circle at some point, and x minus 2. So this will give the boundary condition, yes or no? Actually, this is open sheet. This is open paraboloid sheet. Okay. So that you can write down. The answer is double integration over x square y square 16. No, answer is 16. A की power 4 is not there. No. 2ax. Can I write down this integration? Have you done this integration? Have you solved this integration? Yes. Yes or no? Tell me. 12 pi a square by 4c. I have answered 3 pi a raised to power 4 by 2c. See, I don't know this answer is correct or not, but I have this answer. C is also there, Thanu, and you have not written the C answer. Simple, you can write down what is this. This circle is on the x-axis or y-axis. This is only the x minus 3 by 2. Yes, Kailash, you are right, no? This circle is this. So you can write down theta is minus pi by 2, so pi by 2. and and r is equal to 0 से
2a cos theta.
2 cos theta and x by y square is equal to r square r dr d theta. देखना एक बार सॉल्व कर लो भाई आंसर. What is the answer? I don't know whether 3 pi a 4 by 2c is correct or not. जी बताइए. Revise the concept only that. So answer is correct now. Done. Okay. So the next problem. Next problem is somebody is asking find the volume of the surface z square plus a square y square upon x square is equal to c square, which is contained between the plane x equal to 0 yes. What is the answer? Answer is pi a c square by 2. Wait, this thing please do not write down any mistake. Yes. What is the mistake? See, if you multiply by 2, multiply by 4, this kind of mistake, your answer will be wrong. So don't do this kind of mistake. See, simple सी बात है कि we will write down the volume z equal to, what is z equal to? What is y? Y is z equal to 0 and x equal to 0. X equal to 0 will you put? Will you put x equal to 0? X equal to 0 is not defined. Na? So what do you do? Yes. Bolliye. What do you do? This function is symmetric in x also. Z is equal to 0. Okay, Z is equal to c. Z is equal to c square minus a square y square by x square. That is okay. What about y? Y limit. Z is equal to 0. So a square y square by x square is equal to c square. So what you are thinking is, sir, like a square y square is equal to c square x square. Yes or no? So what you are thinking? What you are thinking? Which contained in the plane x equal to 0 to x equal to a. Just tell me. Will you put x equal to 0? My question is, will you put x equal to 0 and you will find out y is equal to 0? Will you put x equal to a, then y is equal to plus minus? So which point you will put? I think what you have done, this is the way. I think Thanu, you have done in this way. And I think most of you have done in this way. Yes or no? Then your answer is correct. 2 will not be there. What you have done? This is the correct limit or not? बोलिए. Z limit is okay, Y limit is okay, Z X is also okay, but what about Y? Sorry, student, yes. So lower limit of Y is minus Cx by A. Why? Yes. If you do this problem, if you write down this way, this is correct or not? Why lower limit Y is equal to minus Cx by A? Generally, what the student will think, X equal to 0, then Y is equal to 0, X is equal to A, Y is equal to this. Yes or no? Am I correct? But when you think A square Y square is equal to C square X square, then this function, when you put X is minus, X is okay. This function is symmetric in all the quadrant, but this function is symmetric in first and fourth also. Put X equal to minus X, X equal to X, and Y is equal to minus, then that is also symmetric. So for X equal to 0, that is okay 0, but it means upper half and lower half, you have two things, upper and lower. Means like if you have some kind of surfaces, if you think this is a surface, something whatever we have, so this is symmetric in this way. So you are saying from this to this, not given from Y positive. So you have to take Y here to here. It means Y is also negative. This is the limit and you have to calculate this. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? Yes, फटाफट बता दीजिए मुझे. All of you, please tell me the answer is correct.
So this type of questions can come in exam.
भाई आने कुछ भी आ सकता है, मतलब आने को नहीं आ.
सर तो हमें किस बात का सबसे ज्यादा ध्यान रखना होगा मेन?
भाई इसमें जैसे हमने जब लिमिट निकाली है, so basically Z is okay. Z you can take Z square is equal to C square minus A square Y square by X square. So Z is plus minus, okay. And Y basically X equal to 0 to A, but यहाँ पर Y square दे रखा है. When you have Y square, then Y positive negative can be. For positive, for particular positive value of X, Y can be negative also. So you have to see whether the function is symmetric in first or fourth quadrant. In this case, function is symmetric. Yes, any other student? जिनेश बेटा बात क्लियर हो गई आपको?
सर
Yes.
सर इसको हम ऐसे नहीं लिमिट डन नहीं लिख सकते. देखो ये जेड एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस के रेस्पेक्ट में सिमेट्रिक है और एक्स में नहीं है, और तो इसकी थीटा की वैल्यू -5.
X may be symmetric. See, what is the meaning of this function? This function is symmetric in all the octant, because if you take X equal to something, X equal to X minus X, Y minus Y, Z minus Y, Z minus Z, then in all the octant it is symmetric. This is symmetric in all the octant. But what we have to find out? We have to find out in the Z positive negative also, because there is no restriction on Z. X is given in 0 to A. It means we have to find out only not Y negative, sorry, X negative. Only X positive. When X is positive, Y can be negative positive, na? And Z is also negative positive.
यस सर. सर वो इसको कुछ स्पेरिकल कोऑर्डिनेट की हेल्प से कुछ करने की कोशिश करते हैं, जल्दी हो जाएगा सर ये.
देखो ऐसा है, spherical coordinate where we apply in generally, where I will discuss today spherical coordinate also, where you will find out x square plus y square plus z square is equal to something.
यस सर.
whenever you have the term x square plus y square plus z square. Otherwise, don't use spherical coordinate, otherwise you will have some problem. देखो, most probably without spherical coordinate you can do question in less time. ज्यादा टाइम मत लगाओ स्फेरिकल में, स्फेरिकल नहीं जरूरत नहीं है और सिलेबस में भी नहीं है, बट इवन वी विल डिस्कस द स्फेरिकल आल्सो.
ओके सर.
You are getting a c square by 2 pi, है ना? Yes, very good. Pi, a c square pi by 2 is not there. By 2 is not there. Wait. Are you getting by 2? Pratiksha? Actually, I have by 2. So my limit is okay. My limit is okay. If answer is wrong, so you can write down pi a square, pi a c square. Okay, it's no problem. But whatever I have written, the limit is right. In this way, you have to. I took the same limit. So far, your answer is right. Your answer is right. I don't know what is. This is the right answer. Now you have to complete. You have to do your calculations. Okay. If you do your calculation, the answer is same, not this, then you can do. Chaliye, going forward. See. Next problem is, this is wonderful problem. Find the volume. Bounded by y square plus z square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to ax and x equal to 3a. So, how to find out the answer? Yes. Find the volume. Find the volume of y square plus z square is equal to 4ax. Done. And y square equal to ax and x equal to 3a. See, there is one confusion in this question. Yes. Any confusion? Yes or no? See, when you take z limit minus of 4ax minus y square to 4ax minus y square dz dy dx. यहाँ तक तो क्लियर है, but what is the y limit and what is the x limit?
सर y की लिमिट माइनस अंडर रूट ए एक्स से अंडर रूट ए एक्स और 0 to 3a, x की लिमिट
y.
सर ये y के रेस्पेक्ट में तो सिमेट्रिक आ जाएगा.
नहीं, एक कंफ्यूजन ये होता है x इक्वल टू 3a. सॉरी, जनरली व्हाट वी डू, जो मुझे कंफ्यूजन है वो आपको भी होना चाहिए कि z इक्वल टू 0 पुट करके भी रखते थे हम. z इक्वल टू 0, y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4x, y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ax.
नहीं सर, बाउंड्री तो ये दोनों ही देंगे, y स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ax और x इक्वल्स टू 3a.
सर
देखिए नहीं देंगे, वन बाय वन. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये, why this? Generally sometime what we do, we find out the projection of, like, you know, on the x y x. No, this answer is 2 times of double integration of under root of 4ax minus y square dy. Done. and sometime we have confusion ki when we find out the projection we put z is equal to 0 and that is y square is equal to 4x, but here y square is equal to ax is also given, y square is equal to 4x also given. मुझे कंफ्यूजन है, आपको क्यों नहीं है मुझे नहीं पता. Yes or no? I don't know why you don't have confusion. मुझे कंफ्यूजन है, मैं अपनी कंफ्यूजन को पूछ रहा हूँ कि why this kind of you are saying y square is equal to, yes you are right, y square is equal to ax, that is symmetric with respect to y, so y is equal to under root minus under root ax plus under root ax.
सर मैंने तो कोई एक फिगर एज्यूम किया है इसका, क्योंकि ये पैराबोलॉइड जो है वो अंदर ही रह जाएगा और ये वाई स्क्वायर जो है वो बाहर की तरफ खुद फैल रहा है थोड़ा.
मेरा डाउट क्लियर है कि नहीं है, पहले मेरा डाउट बताओ.
यस सर, डाउट इज क्लियर. सर मैं कुछ बोलूं?
यस बोलो.
सर मैंने तो इसमें ऐसा किया जैसे y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ax दिए हुए उसको बनाया और x इक्वल टू 3a में बनाया, टू मतलब डबल इंटीग्रेशन निकाल लिया पहले इन दोनों का. उसके बाद हाँ, उसके बाद मैंने z की लिमिट अलग से निकाल दी और यही लिमिट आ रही है सर.
ऐसे कैसे निकाल दोगे
सर? क्योंकि अगर हम 2D में बनाए उसके बाद ही सर इसको पैराबोलॉइड बन रहा है ना सर वो.
नहीं, दिस इज पैराबोलॉइड. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द लिमिट ऑफ z?
सर z की लिमिट तो जो आपने रखी हुई है सर, इस इक्वेशन से मैंने z की लिमिट निकाल ली सर.
ऐसा तो नहीं करा तुमने कि दैट इज यू विल पुट x इक्वल टू 3a हियर है?
नहीं सर, ऐसा नहीं किया, नहीं कुछ भी नहीं किया. मैंने इन दोनों इक्वेशन से एक डायग्राम बनाया, y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ax से और x इक्वल टू 3a से.
दिस इज a स्क्वायर, x is 3a square, so that is 9a square plus z square is equal to 4, 4 3 12, a square 3 and this, so 9a square, sorry x equal to 3 4ax, so 4ax, so 4ax means 3a 12 x नहीं ठीक है square and z square is equal to 12a square minus 9a raised to power 4. ऐसे करा कुछ?
नहीं सर.
ओके, सो व्हाट इज योर आंसर अभिषेक?
सर आंसर नहीं, लिमिट्स बता सकता हूँ सर. मैं आंसर निकाला नहीं है, इतने पर रुक गया था.
18 आई हैव 18 बाय यूर.
सर लिमिट्स बता सकता हूँ मैं. 0 x की लिमिट 0 से 3 है, y की लिमिट माइनस ax टू ax और z की जो आपने रखी हुई है.
x इक्वल टू 0 से 3 है, y is equal to minus under root ax से
ax
plus ax and what is z?
z जो आपने रखी हुई है वहां पीछे
But
रूट के अंदर.
but the point is not clear. See, when you put this, see, generally ये क्वेश्चन हो गया, चलो मान लिया. But in generally what we do when we have this kind of question, first of all we
सर देखिए सर, मैंने क्या किया, जब जैसे इसमें z एक्सिस वाली इक्वेशन दी हुई है तो हमको मालूम है वो हाइट में है, ठीक है, तो उसको मैंने एक तरह से कंप्रेस कर दिया, उसको 2D पे ले आया.
हाँ 2D पे लिया है तो z इक्वल टू 0 डालोगे ना?
हाँ जी सर.
तो y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4x आ गया. फिर क्या
4x आ गया.
ठीक है,
और फिर सर इसका डायग्राम बना लिया सर.
और ये कहाँ गया? फिर ये कहाँ जाएगा? मेरा क्वेश्चन यही तो है.
तो ये दोनों बनेंगे ना सर, जैसे इतना भी बने तो एक का जो मुंह बनेगा वो थोड़ा सा पैराबोला का बड़ा बनेगा, एक का छोटा बनेगा, क्योंकि एक में 2x आ रहा है और एक में ax आ रहा है. उसके बाद मैंने x इक्वल टू 3 लाइन बनाई. फिर जो ऊपर और नीचे दोनों तरफ वो एरिया आएगा जो दोनों उसके बीच में होगा सर.
सी मैं बताता हूं तुम्हें. बेसिकली होता क्या है स्टूडेंट, मैं भी ठीक हूं, सब कुछ ठीक है, कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. बेसिकली व्हेन यू पुट y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4ax, ओके, 1 and 1 is y square is equal to ax, so y square is equal to 4,
उसका माउथ थोड़ा बड़ा बनेगा और उसका छोटा बनेगा,
और y square is equal to ax का कुछ ऐसा बनेगा,
छोटा बनेगा. अब इक्वल टू x इक्वल टू 3 लाइन खींच दीजिए सर.
तो इनके इंटरसेक्शन से जो बनेगा वो अंदर वाला सरफेस तो बनेगा. मेरी बात समझ रहे 2D का स्टूडेंट? इसके बीच वाला कैसे बन जाएगा
सर? ये बीच वाला बनेगा सर, दोनों
इन दोनों के इंटरसेक्शन से बीच वाला बन जाएगा। सी हाउ कैन यू सी?
सर इसमें सर बाहर वाली y इक्वल टू 4ax वाली लाइन तो टच हो नहीं रही है सर।
सुनो, y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ax वो बाहर निकल गई, तो वॉल्यूम कौन सा लोगे? इससे भी कवर वाला और ये वाला वॉल्यूम लोगे, ये कह रहे हो तुम?
हाँ जी हाँ, तीनों से कवर आ रहा है ये।
अच्छा, जब तुमने ये कवर ले लिया तो y की लिमिट क्यों ली है फिर तुमने? ये क्यों लोगे फिर? y की लिमिट यहां से यहां और यहां से, हाँ
हाँ जी, यहीं से यहाँ लेनी पड़ेगी सर।
फिर
तो आई एम रॉन्ग सर।
सी नंबर 1, सोच के बताओ मुझे, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट, थिंक वंस मोर। First of all, what we do generally, we put z free from z. When we free from z, then we have a problem in xy only double integral. So this is the double integration. We have to find out the xy limit. X is clear, x equal to 3. Pratiksha, you are wrong. Your answer is 18 by pi by 3. Pratiksha, मैं आंसर लिख देता हूँ. What is the answer? Whatever answer, maybe your answer is correct, maybe 9 under root 3. Just match. You are saying just check, this is the answer. 9 under root.
सर
अब अजिनेश एक मिनट में जरा बता दूं, फिर मैं तुम्हारे पास भी आ रहा हूं जस्ट। So first of all, we have done this integration, double integration, this one, okay, this dy dx match, okay. So dy dx, so when you do dy dx, so we have to find out the limit of x. Generally we do z is equal to 0 and we take the projection on x-axis, xy plane. So when we have projection on xy plane, y square is equal to 4x, y square is equal to x, then we are confused. Confused means how to put the limit y square. Y square we have 4 limit minus under root ax plus under root ax or minus under root 4x plus under root 4, which limit? Basically these are two curves and we have to find out the intersection. Yes, intersection, yes, you are right. And as Abhishek was saying, so this is the intersection. Wrong, this is not the intersection. Okay, this curve will cover only this one and this will cover full. So what is the intersection? Intersection is a small parabola. So this will decide the limit. Am I clear? Yes, all of you, please just tell me.
तो सर
हाँ बताइए जी।
सर जैसे अभी आपने बताया कि मतलब ये बड़ा जो कर्व है ये मतलब ये y स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 4ax और ये छोटा वाला कर्व जो है ये y स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ax। अभी आपने कहा कि मतलब जो इंटरसेक्शन होगा तो मतलब सर ये जो मिडल वाला सेक्शन है, मिडल वाला सेक्शन तो मतलब वो फिर उसका ये वाला मिडल सेक्शन की बात कर रहा हूँ, वो तो मतलब हम उसे कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे। यस जो मतलब ये से दोनों में ये जहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट हो रहा है तो वो छोटा पोर्शन ही हमें कंसीडर करना होगा।
Common is called intersection. But here this is not the intersection. Common. This is not common. This one. See, you have a circle. This is circle. This circle. What is common? Common is inside circle. If the problem is like this, okay, this is a parabola, this is a parabola. Now this is the common. Okay.
सब तो फिर मतलब बीच y की कोऑर्डिनेट्स तो सर फिर ये y इक्वल्स टू रूट 4x एंड y इक्वल्स टू रूट x ये होनी चाहिए ना सर?
नहीं क्यों? चलिए
जैकोबियन वो चेंज ऑफ वेरिएबल।
चलिए ओके। Now, so your problem is done. This problem is done. Next problem is actually we are just solving some of the unique problem. That's why, so that you cannot have any confusion in the exam. If this kind of a problem will be there in the exam. Find the volume of the cylindrical column standing on the area common to the parabola x equal to y square and y is equal to x square as base and cut off by the surface z is equal to 12 plus y minus x square. First, फटाफट निकालिए इसका आंसर. This is very easy question, just 2-minute question. Find the volume of the cylindrical column standing on the area of common to the parabola as base. So this is the base and cut off by the surface. I don't know what is the surface. The surface cut. It means if you have this problem, this is the parabola. Y square is y is equal to x square, and this is the parabola second x square, x y square is equal to 4x. This is the base. This is the base. This is the base, and you are saying this there is a column standing. It means column is standing. So column is. It means this is you are saying.
So 3.85.
Answer I have written 569 upon 140.
Yes, sir. It's approximate that 3.85. My answer. Sir.
Okay. So you have to find out frequent integration of z is equal to 0, na? Z is equal to 0 in this plane, and you have this curve on the top, cutting by top, because whenever you have cylinder, cylinder is of infinite length, so you have to cut between 2 points. This is the base point, and up, then the second curve is top point. What is that? Z here 12 plus y minus x square. Yes or no? And what is this? This is this base region x square. Yes or no? Am I clear? This is the reason or not? Yes or no? बोलिए. This reason is given by this one, this green reason, and you will find out the answer of this. But same question we have, कि why not when you take z is equal to 0, then y is equal to x square minus 12. Yes or no? You have same problem. Z is equal to 0, 12 plus y minus x square to 0. So x square is equal to y minus 12. So if you do this thing, y is minus, so y minus 12, you will have larger parabola. Am I clear? Yes or no? If you do same problem as we have done previous, z is equal to 0, this parabola is y minus 12, minus 12, so y is equal to minus 12, you will take this kind of parabola. Then, so this will not intersect this one. So this is the smaller surface, smaller region, this is the main intersections. See, this kind of problem are rare, but I have done this problem so that there will be no confusion in the exam. Is it clear, student? So आपको volume clear हो
Clear,
जाएगा.
sir.
What is the volume? How to find out the volume? Yes. Okay. Very good. Calculation is lengthy. No, calculation is not lengthy. See, in exam, they will give the easy question, not lengthy calculations. Right now, I can give you the difficult one. Okay. Yes. The next is the rotations. The rotations, axis of revolutions. So you know how to find out the answer? Axis of revolutions, volume by axis of revolutions. Volume by revolution. So you have some curve. Okay. You have this curve type, and you are revolving this. So when you revolve, then you will have this kind of same kind of. Okay, same kind of. And if you take this y is the height, so you are taking this disk. This disk is pi y square is the area of this disk, and you integrate with respect to x, because if you are revolving about this axis, so x equal to a to x equal to b. I don't know what is this. I am just taking x equal to this and x equal to b, x equal to a to x equal to b. So pi a square into dy. Yes, so dy need dx, because dx is the length. This is the strip. Is dx. So in this volume also, and I have also told you the surface, you will not multiply by 2. Okay, and if there is a volume of this kind of surface, okay, this kind of curve which is symmetric in both the direction, when you rotate, you will not multiply by 2, and you will not take this limit minus y2 plus y. Okay, y you will take only this limit. Okay, this to this, it will automatically rotate. Y minus will you take or not? Y you will take or not? We will check. Sorry, we will check. Yes, you will tell me we will take or not. If you take about x की जगह y axis, if you rotate, then change y as x, then y is equal to something limit y x square dy. And third is, if you take about any other axis, then what? Let us consider parallel to x axis shifting. Okay, shifting by a or shifting by b, whenever, or sorry, whatever. So you will take the distance from the curve. Basically, we are taking the perpendicular distance from a curve to which the axis by which you are going to rotate this curve. So whatever curve you will rotate, by the help of whatever axis, you have to take the perpendicular distance between this curve to the corresponding axis of rotations, that y minus something, y minus y1 ka whole square. In that case, done. So we will do some problems, and then later on you can say, yeah, what is the answer. So one question which you have not done till now, this is, question is, find the volume of the solid generated by the revolution of the curve y is equal to a cube upon a square plus x square about its asymptote. This is the problem. Very new question. Very new question. Just tell me how to proceed. So are you getting what is the asymptote here?
No, sir.
No, actually, when you have y is equal to a cube upon a square plus x square, so there is no asymptote. Basically asymptote means whenever like this kind of curve, this is called asymptote, है ना? When okay, this kind of curve, this is also asymptote. If you take this
सर
kind, this is
जैसे एसिम्पटोट निकालने हैं तो x की वैल्यू वो होनी चाहिए जिस पर y की वैल्यू इन्फिनिटी हो जाए।
प्लस इनफाइनाइट या माइनस इनफाइनाइट।
हाँ तो सर ये रियल में तो आ ही नहीं रही।
So here if you do यहाँ पर asymptote ही नहीं आ रही। yes or no? If you take a square plus x square is zero whenever a square plus x square कभी भी जीरो नहीं हो सकता है कभी जीरो नहीं। So there is no asymptote parallel to y axis. I am getting, sorry, are you getting my point? But जरूरी ऐसे होगा, हो सकता है parallel to x axis आ जाए, ठीक है, ये भी तो एक ट्रिक होती है। So that is y of a square plus x square is equal to x cube, I think x cube नहीं a cube, done. So y a square plus y x square Is it correct? Y is equal to a cube upon a square x square. Yes. Yes. Can you find out the asymptote parallel to x axis? Yes. Can you find out? बोलिए। Yes or no? बोलिए। What is the asymptote? Y equal to 0 if you put, then x is equal to infinite. X equal to infinite. So you can say this is the asymptote. So basically there is a curve, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x equal to infinite. Any kind of curve, like asymptote is this one. Y equal to 0 is the asymptote. It means you have to find out whatever curve we have, we have to find out the rotation, whatever curve we have, rotate about y axis. So what is the volume? What is the volume? बताइए, अब निकालिए. Yeah, you can find out the volume. हाँ, in the last derivation I was discussing कि when you were finding the surface, there was no question to finding two times, because already you are finding the surface area which is 2 pi y into ds. Here we are finding the pi y square. This is also 2 times already. Will you multiply by 2? Yes or no? मेरी बात समझ रहे हो? Going back, if we have this problem, we are finding not this disk, we are finding full disk. Okay, that is pi y square is the full area of this circle, and you are multiplying by ds. This is the volume of dx thick strip. The volume of dx thick strip having radius y. So pi y square, ये pi x square है ना, pi x square dy या pi y square dx. Done. So what is the answer here? Can you find out the answer? Pi y square dx. And what is y? What the y value you will take? Yes. What is the y value you will take? This is the question. What is the y value you will take? Okay, y value will take y value. This is the x value. Now, what is the x value you will take? Y square is ax6 upon a square x square power 4 2 a6 upon a square power 2 dx. What is the x value? I don't know what is the x value. X is very good, minus infinite to plus infinite. See, in this problem, when you take y is 0, then x square with this function is symmetric with respect to this x equal to negative or positive. Okay, yes or no? So this function will behave like this kind of thing, something. Yes or no? Just symmetric from this to this. So minus infinite to plus infinite. This is the important thing which you have to note down. Am I clear? Because this function is symmetric with respect to x तो है ही ना, x की लिमिट ले रहे हैं, and if you take x 0 to infinity, your answer will be wrong. If you take limit x to 0 to infinity, your answer will be wrong. Yes or no? See, student, tell me, am I clear or not? These are very important questions. Done. So answer is this things. So you can write down 0 to infinite 2 pi a की power 6 1 upon x square का whole square dx. Now you can do the integration. This is your job, and I am writing here the answer. The answer is pi square cube. Yes. Anybody want to say something? कुछ कहना चाहते हो भाई?
सर एक क्वेश्चन है. Consider the region D in the YZ plane.
एक मिनट. Consider
the region D in the YZ plane bounded by the line y equals to half and the curve y square plus z square equals to 1. Where z is greater than equals to 0. If the region D is revolved around the z axis, in R cube R raised to 3, then the volume of the resulting solid is.
Yes. So student, Dinesh, you mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Student, just find out the answer. Consider region D in the YZ plane bounded by y is equal to half and the curve y square plus z square is equal to 1. What you say? Where z is greater than equal to 0. If the region is revolved about z axis. So, student, पहले आप लोग बताइए, फिर मैं आपको से सॉल्व कराता हूँ. वेरी सिंपल प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, बस क्वेश्चन को घुमा दिया है, करा कुछ नहीं है. yz की जगह in place of yz, if you write down only xy, the problem is simple. See. बोलिए.
सर इसमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तभी जाके करेक्ट आंसर आ रहा है.
मुझे नहीं पता. अगर तुम
ऑप्शन ये सब मैं भूल गया था, सॉरी. पाई अपॉन रूट 3 Option B 2 pi upon root 3. Option C pi root 3 upon 2. Or option D pi root 3. Or option C is the right answer, sir.
See,
ये बीच वाला pi root 3 upon 2.
see student, this is the problem is very simple. Question examiner is going to confuse you because they have given you YZ plane and you will not think YZ plane here. What is this? So you can treat Z as x-axis. So when you take YZ plane, so what I am doing, nothing else. I have done this one as this is Y, okay, this is Z. मान लिया मैंने YZ ही मान दिया, मैंने इनकी इच्छा पूरी कर ली. And the question is y square plus z square is equal to 1. Y square plus z square is equal to 1. Okay. And y is equal to half. This is y is equal to 1. This is y is equal to half. Okay. So what the question is saying? Question is saying consider region D in the YZ plane bounded by y is equal to half and the curve, and z is positive. The region is revolved about z axis. Very good. See, what is our curve? This curve revolve about what is? Revolve about which axis? Z axis, number 1. And y is equal to half and the curve this and z positive. What is this? You are revolving about this axis. And what you are doing? What is the curve? What is the curve? I think curve is this one. Curve is only this one. Yes or no? Haji. Only this piece you are going to revolve. Only this piece you are going to revolve. So what is the volume? Who will speak? Yeah, who will tell me? See, if question was कि y is equal to half नहीं देते, let us consider y is equal to half is not in the answer. Not in the question, sorry. Y is equal to half is not in the question. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? The full sphere that you can create, I think, because you will upper half you will take and you will rotate, you will make some sphere. Yes or no? Yes, student. If you take this problem, do not take y is equal to half. Do not take y is equal to half. And just you have a circle y square plus z square is equal to 1 and you are rotating the upper half, yeah, full circle about z axis, you will create a sphere. Yes or no? बताइए. Yes. But now problem is कि you have this region, you are rotating only this region. You are rotating this region. So what is the answer? Jinesh, how did you think this question? Why the answer is multiplying 2? We have a class. Okay. Yes, no problem. See, student, actually, we have a class as I have got the reminder. Okay. From the Eduncle. If the question of spherical coordinate not solved, we will solve this question in Thursday class. Tomorrow we'll start the group theory. Okay, done.
Hello sir, I have one last question. It's
No,
verbally sir, 30 seconds.
First
Sir,
of
just
all, this problem.
yes sir.
Don't solve it.
ये वाली
हाँ
सर डूइंग सर।
हाँ, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल से कर लो, मैं 30 सेकंड दे दूंगा तुम्हें। आई एम गेटिंग √3π/4। आंसर इज √3π/2। Pratiksha, how did you solve the problem? Yes, कौन बताएगा? I have so many questions. I will give you. The last. Okay. No. Pratiksha, what you are saying, sir? Integration to pi square by 2 minus 1 by substitute integration. Why? By taking the limit z equal to 0 to √3/2. Why? No, see. Pratiksha, can you speak over mic? See, simple, when you have any problem like about z-axis, you have curve, okay. So if there is a z-axis, you will say pi of height, that is pi y square, dz, like yes or no. But rotation about z-axis, okay, pi y square the height, but distance from curve to here, what is the distance between this strip to here? Yes, what is the distance? Limit of z is √3/2 to minus √3/2. No, why the limit of z? You are taking this limit, because y square plus z square is equal to 1, and if you take z is equal to half, y is equal to half. If you take y is equal to half, so 1/4, z square is equal to 1, z square 1 minus 1/4, z square is equal to 3/4, so z is equal to plus minus √3/2. Okay, you have taken z limit, okay, yes. So what will be the benefit? Sorry, yeah, Kailash, can you speak? कि प्रॉब्लम ये समझ में नहीं आ रही है कि प्रॉब्लम की this is the curve, you have to curve from here to here, okay, z limit you will rotate only this one, but will you take this volume also? Yes, no. So when you rotate this, but don't have to take lower portion. Yes, don't have to take lower portion. So what is the volume of this one? This volume you have to delete, na, this cylinder volume. Yes or no? What I'm trying to say, whenever you want to find out the volume of this revolving, you have to delete this volume also, na? Yes or no? So what is the volume of this? If you take y is equal to half radius, pi r square h. So pi r square, what is the radius? This is half pi r square into h. What is the h? H is, what is this? 1, and this is, what is this? This height. Just tell me what is this? Not 1. What is this? What is this? √3/2, 2 √3/2. I think. है जी?
Yes sir, √3.
√3 ना?
Yes sir.
So pi √3/4. √3π/4 you have to minus from the total volume. What is the total volume? Am I correct or not? Student, because you have to take this, only this पकड़ लिया पूरा, एक रीजन पकड़ के रीजन घुमाया है। अब तो रीजन घुमाया तो वो पता क्या बनेगा? दैट इज द सरफेस, द टोटल, this between, if you take this surface, So this will be the like a cylinder inside a sphere. So what you can do, see, are you getting answer? My point is clear to all of you, yes or no? Basically only this. So when you take this, rotate, you will get total volume from this surface, but you have to delete this volume also. This is the main question. So this is the main point which you have to take on. Jinesh, am I clear? You can find out the answer and let me know later on, is this answer is okay? Have you find out the right answer? Yes or no? So आप एक बार देख लेंगे तो मुझे बता देंगे.
Okay, sir.
So student, now this topic is over and only spherical coordinate is pending. We can discuss spherical coordinate in one of the group theory class. Okay, we can discuss. So thank you.